Today, I'll walk you through how to use Notion for project management, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up your project management system in Notion so you can streamline your workflow and boost your productivity. Let's get started. First, open your Notion page. You can do this by navigating to the Notion app or website and logging into your account. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functions remain the same. Once you're on your Notion page, look for the option to click on Template. This is where the magic begins. Templates in Notion are like pre-built frameworks that help you organize your projects efficiently. Next, head over to the Templates section. You can find this by clicking on the Templates link, which will take you to a library of available templates. This is similar to browsing a bookstore. You have a variety of options to choose from based on your needs. Now let's search for project management templates. In the search bar, type Project Management. This step is crucial as it will filter the templates specifically designed for managing projects. Once the search results appear, take a moment to browse through the options. Choose the desired template that resonates with your project requirements and click on it. This is like selecting the perfect tool from your toolbox. It should fit your specific needs. After selecting your template, click the plus sign to add it to your workspace. The template will now appear on your left pane, ready for you to customize. Open the template and feel free to modify it to better fit your needs. You can add tasks, deadlines, and even assign team members if you're collaborating with others. This customization is essential as it allows you to tailor the project management system to your unique workflow. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Notion for project management. Remember, the key to effective project management is not just in the tools you use, but in how you adapt them to your workflow. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.